Let's go fishing.
About to tear them up.
Going fishing.
Ripping lips.
Doing it up. Bruh, there's no fish here. All right, y'all. Sorry for the dark car, but it is getting close to dusk. Forster, run down to the first pond.
What's going on? Not much happening. Couple bites.
Nothing.
Bad day.
Yep.
We'll just go with that.
Yep. First, quarter not so good. We're gonna go on to another pond and see what we can do. I will see you guys there. Woo! Yep. No. No. There we go. Little one. Ooh. Oh. 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 Yeah, the hook set was to also land him. I mean, it was 2 feet in front of me. There he is. Is he a good one? Probably pound and a half. There he is.